Hello, my name is David Ross. I'm the Maintenance and Spare Parts Manager here in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola HBC are a growth business and we recognise that, and for us to grow we need to grow our people, and that starts with our apprentices. Hence the reason why we run an apprenticeship programme here at Coca-Cola Hellenic. Here at Coca-Cola Hellenic, this is our fourth wave of apprenticeships we have. We have partnership with SERC, SERC, for a number of years now. We have a great relationship and we see the benefits of running the apprenticeship programme. We bring apprenticeships in whenever they're 18, 19 years of age, right through the 3-year programme, and then they end up becoming full-time employees here with Coca-Cola Hellenic. We have a long-standing partnership with SERC. This is our fourth wave of apprenticeships this year. This is the first year that we have run Industry 4.0 with SERC, and it ties in perfectly to our digitalisation journey here with Coca-Cola Hellenic. The benefits of the apprenticeship programme are helping us fulfil the skills gap that's out in the market. We bring in our apprentices, give them full training, they come away with the practical skills and the academic accreditations to become full-time employees here at Coca-Cola Hellenic. As this is an HLA, we see the apprentices as future leaders of our business in Coca-Cola.